For the third time. Hello for the third time. Welcome on the live stream of zbit.com. Just give me one moment. I'm updating that link to the Zbit app. Just give me 1 minute. I went live right here. I'm updating. Thank you. Thank you for having patience, by the way. Okay. It's just one of those days where some technical issue happens. It's not everyday scenario, just one of those days. Where is the live? Why my live is not busy? It came, it came. It came. Okay. I hope everything is smooth right now. I hope everything is going good. I hope everything there won't be any technical issue. It's just like what is the issue is happening is like whenever I like the either it is a net issue, either it is a Wi-Fi issue, either it's a internet connectivity issue. I am not there. You cannot see, you cannot hear me very smoothly. Okay, so that's what we were trying to recover. That I should be there smoothly. I hope I am smooth over here right now. I think it is good. I think it's good. Okay. Let's start it. Let's start it. Welcome users 353445. Welcome user 318497. I'm really sorry for whatever issues we are facing today regarding the live stream. Like it's not being smooth to you. It's like lagging and some photos are getting blurred or something, which we don't want to do. We want to give you the best experience as much as possible from our end. So that's why I started live stream thrice now. Okay, let's hope that it won't be the fourth time that I have to do it, but everything is going smooth, right? Can any of this user confirm me that I am visible to you? You can hear me properly, you can see me properly, everything is going smoothly in you. Like user 353445, can you just confirm me that everything is going good? Like you can hear me properly, you can see me properly, and everything is nothing is lagging, nothing is going on, everything is going the most smooth as it is possible. Just please give me any confirmation on the comment section so that I can be assured, like before starting anything, before starting my live, before starting my content, I want to be assured that everything is going smoothly. So user 353445, just give me thumbs up or something. Like if everything is going good, just give me a thumbs up so that I can continue, because I don't want to like again start speaking and in the middle I have to stop. So everything is going smooth. Just give me a thumbs up on the comment section and that's fine by me. Okay. User 353445 on the live stream. I know you are watching the live stream. I know you are there. You can just comment just thumbs up. If everything is going good, everything is smooth, just give me a thumbs up. That's all. Thumbs up. Or just say y, yes, yes. It won't kill you to type y, e, and yes. It's a three word. It's a three-word letter. Just three-letter word. Just give me some confirmation that everything is going smooth. User 353445, going smooth, everything is okay. I hope everything is, because in here in my live stream I can see me very smoothly. I don't know about the output. The, the output is the one which was having an issue. So going good, not going good, going good, not going good. What is it? What is it? Which thumb it is? It is the up thumb which is happy, or is it the down thumb which is sad? Which thumb will you give me? User 353445, just give me one thumb if everything is going smooth. If everything is going smooth, just give me up or down. Just comment one thumb. Give me one thumb. Come on, give me one thumb. Okay. Okay. Everything is going good. Everything is going good. Cool. 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 So let's get started again. Welcome. Welcome to the Zbit. It's a live for the Zbit.com, not an independent channel. It's a crypto exchange platform. Zbit is a crypto exchange platform which allows you to have and enter an experience, to gain opportunity, to take an action, to be a millionaire, billionaire, whatever you want in a crypto world. This is at a gateway when you open from the real world, a gateway to the crypto world, basically. It's a wire thing. It's like a medium which connects you, a normal person, Zbit, a crypto world, which is $1 million idea. Okay, now this thing, the Zbit, connects you to that world, which can help you achieve excellence in the trading of the crypto journey as well, and every other things. Zbit is a very simple, the most beginner friendly app, the most beginner friendly exchange, which can help you achieve the financial freedom as well in just 3 steps. What you need to do is just come on the platform, create an account with country code, email address, password, and that's it. Voila, you have entered into a crypto market. You have entered into that market, which is the most beneficial, most profitable market at the right now moment. And just because of clearing one step, there will be a lot of treasures, a lot of surprises coming at you in 3 forms. What are those 3 forms? First reward which Zbit offers to you people is a free crypto token. Now token and coin is like same, not same, similar. It is exactly like you are owning one coin, like a spot coin. When we enter in the spot market, we buy, we purchase that coin, and that is my coin forever and ever, until unless I give it back to or sell it back, right? In the same way, when you come live, when you come on this platform, enter for the first time, you register for the first time, you have successfully registered, successfully being a part of the Zbit. At that one moment, we offer you a lucky spin, a chance to win a cryptocurrency, a chance to win either Bitcoin, either Ethereum, XRP, Solana, Dogecoin, maybe Shiba coin, or maybe what is the other coin? Pepe coin. Okay, these are the all those coin which is there in the lucky offer, which you can see in the third slide. Can you see worth over $1,200? Get your first crypto asset at the Zbit.com, and that too completely for free. You haven't taken any trade till now, you haven't done any deposit till now, but still, just for entering into the crypto market, we are giving you as a gift, like as a welcome gift. Like, come on, thank you so much for joining a part. Thank you so much for being a Zbit family. And here is a token of appreciation from our Zbit side. And that token is not any other token but a token of a digital currency, the most valuable currency out there right now. Okay, now you get a chance. There is a chance. There are 8 coins which will be visible in that spin. Either you can win a Bitcoin, either you can win Ethereum, Solana, XRP, or you can win the Pepe coin, Doge, Shiba Inu, and all those coins. Okay, so basically you can win stable, you can win alt, or you can win the meme coins. These are the 3 options which you get. Now, obviously, for a very obvious reason, if I am having some bank account, I cannot just give like every user's Bitcoin. So the algorithm sets in this way, like every user from 500, we pick one user which will be receiving that Bitcoin, which is worth almost around $1,200 right into your account, and that too straight ownership. This is not something like it will be there for 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, and then it will be gone from your account. No, it is not like that. You are the complete owner of that XYZ coin, which you will be receiving from our end. And have a chance, because what if there is an option? What if you end up owning a Bitcoin? And that too at the first step itself, the world is running behind the Bitcoin, that they want to grab it. And what if you are that one lucky person on the whole entire generation or the planet which is owning a Bitcoin and be a part of those. See, till now 4 to 5 people have already got bitcoins. Okay, already got bitcoin. There are more than 6 to 7 people who have already got ethereum. So you can be one of those people entitled to have a bitcoin in their first user reward. Okay, generally the most common, the general people will receive like meme coin or altcoin, but the people who are having very pure luck, you may have a chance to receive Bitcoin or Ethereum. So why lose that opportunity which is just in front of you? And I will tell you this one thing as well. See, now you have family. Your family has almost four phones are there. Your mom, your father, your brother, sister, everything. There you are. The least amount of phone number you will be having is four. If you didn't got the bitcoin, that's not like very sorry, don't feel sorry for you, it's fine, it's an algorithm. But you can still try, you can still give 3 tries from your father's number, from your mother's number, from your sister, brother, whatever number. You have those kind of four, like every, I believe every household has at least 3 to 4 numbers in their house. So you have not just one but 3 chances to get, that will increase your chances of owning a bitcoin or owning an ethereum, which are the, you can, like in the whole crypto journey, in the whole crypto market, there are just two, one king and one queen. A king is the bitcoin and the queen is the ethereum. They can both be guys as well, I don't know, I won't say like they're gay or something like that, I don't know, whatever it is, bitcoin and ethereum. Okay, Kiki Sheets. Kiki Sheets, welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. So that was the first reward which Zibit is offering you, and there are still 2 rewards remaining for you to achieve. It's not just one, but there are 3 more. Welcome user 3739335. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Now, there are still some rewards. There are still 2 rewards which are not small. Again, the same. The first one, first reward itself is such a big that we are giving you a cryptocurrency that to completely for free of cost without spending a single money. Not even a single money you have spent till now, and you have received a cryptocurrency already as a spot thing, not as a, not like, I'm not talking about that you get in a future that may be expire, that may be this. No, you are the owner. You sell it after 1 year, fine by us. You sell it after 10 years, fine by me, because that is up to you now. If you want to sell, sell. You want to convert, convert. You want to trade it, trade it. We don't care. That's all. Okay, because now you are the owner, is you are the owner, you can do whatever you feel like to do with that xyz coin. What is the second reward which Zbit is offering to all of you people? And the second reward is one of that best reward which people have a lot of confusion regarding as well. Welcome user 643673 on the live stream of zbit.com. Thank you so much for opting to zbit.com. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. This live stream is for each and every other stuff. Okay, this is not just for coming, watching me talking about the crypto world or something like that. No, this live stream is about your opportunity, your actions. If you want, if you are willing to learn trading, you can learn trading as well. Okay. Now, the second reward, which you can see, is this. Try the future trading limited time free. What do you mean by limited time free, and what is free in a trade? That means in a future trading, once you logged in into your future, once you log into Zbit, you get that first reward of owning one XYZ currency, and then they give you one experience, because we believe that a lot of people lacks the knowledge, lacks the experience of the cryptocurrency. And let me tell you, this is not at all similar like stock market. It may look, the chart may look like, yeah, it's the same, it looks, there's the same red bar, there's the same green bar, there's the same up and down, there is same going. But no, there are so many differences in it. There are so many different things which is happening over there. Now, what are those different things which is happening over there? A lot of good volatility, a lot of bigger investment, a lot of trap from the market, a lot of liquidity trap from the market, a lot of things which is going in the crypto world. Now, for, if there is so much things is going on there, you need an experience, and you don't have an experience because you just entered the crypto market. Now, how do you gain experience? Is there any way possible that you can gain experience and don't even lose the money? Yes. And that's what Zibit offers you. Zibit offers you a first trade free offer, that whatever experience, the first experience in the trade, it can be for buy, it can be for sell, doesn't matter, the trade experience matter, the market experience matter. For that first experience of gaining what a crypto market is about, how the crypto market moves, what are the movement, what kind of profit you can earn, what kind of this and blah 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 blah, xyz thing, what are those things which can help you achieve, we can give you for completely free of cost. Now what you need to do for that is you get 20 USDT bonus. It's not a small amount, okay? It's not 5, it's not 10, it's not 15, it is 20 USDT bonus which you will get, every user will get. It's not for specific people. We won't be picking out like a top 5, top 10, top 3, top 2. No, it is for each and every one of you. You have that chance, you have that option, that you can gain that 20 USDT bonus amount from which you will do the trading. Now that money came from where? That money came from us. We are giving you that investment to do the first trade. We get it, like you are not that like pro, you are first timer, you don't know about the, you are a big that basically you don't know about anything about the crypto market. Now I want to give you that 20 USD for your experience. Now this is the money, and this is a real money. This is not a fake money like a demo account. I'm saying that the first trade is a demo trade. No, it is not a demo trade. It's a real trade. Now, with when I gave you that amount, when I gave you this XYZ thing like 20 USD, I gave you. Now this is a real money which will be put in the real market, and from which you can earn a real profit or a real loss. They both are real. It's not like a fake thing, like the profit will be fake, you won't receive that profit or something like that. No. But there is something steps, there are some terms, and there are some conditions which I want to say. First condition is, once you receive that 20 USDT bonus, do not do any kind of deposit before using that 20 USDT. If you deposit before using that 20 USDT profit, that 20 USDT will be gone from the market. You cannot see that 20 USDT and you'll be wondering where that 20 USDT go. Because some people might think that, what if I do this one thing, 20 USDT you are giving to me, I will add up more my 10 USDT and I can take a bigger trade of 30 USDT. Those things won't work. Those things won't work at all in the market. It is just 20 which will be offering you. You cannot add up your amount to that, you cannot do anything. It will be there, that 20 USDT bonus will be there, but if you add up more thing before using that 20 USDT, then that 20 USDT will be gone from the market. Understand this thing, because that's the most common mistake people do, because they have this thing like, I opened the account, now I have to do the deposit. The first step in the mind, I get it, like the first humanly step which you will make is to do the deposit to take the trade, but USDT bonus, I am that clear. First condition clear. Now second condition, it will give you an option, whether this or that, either this or that. It's basically you will get an option in the coin. If you either you want to trade on BTC or either you want to trade on Ethereum, it will give you an option. You pick your market, you pick Ethereum or you pick the BTC, whatever feels okay to you. After that, it will show you a small chart of it, like that this is what happening right now. Now what do you feel? Can it pump up? Can it go up? Or can it dump? Can it go down? Basically, do you want to go for buy or do you want to go for sell? Simple as that. Now once you click on any of those options, either you click on the buy or either you click on the sell, that trade will be active from that instant. The time you click on that buy or the time you click on that sell, your trade is active right now. You are active, your trade is going on, and your real money, our investment of 20 USDT is being put into the market. It is there, it is active over there. Now with that 20 USDT, whatever profit you earn, XYZ doesn't matter at all. It can go to infinite. Even if you earn 1000 USDT from it, I don't have an issue. Zibit doesn't have an issue. It can be anything. It can be legitly anything. The profit can be anything. Okay. So that profit can be anything. Either you earn $5, $10, 15, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Doesn't matter. That is completely your profit. You are the owner of that USDT, which you can use for doing anything which you want. Either you want to do for sell, do the sell. You want to use it for taking a trade, use it for taking a trade. You want to just take and withdraw that profit, you withdraw that profit. We don't have any issue with it. That is your money which you have earned from your first experience. That's why I said this is not anything a demo account. This is not at all a demo account. This is the first real trade. Just the investment is ours. That's all. There is a one difference, that this is not your investment, but it is my investment. I gave you that 20 USDT as taking the first experience in the crypto market. How is it? What is the volatility? How movement? How what kind of movement the crypto market give? What kind of profit you can earn, and blah 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 stuff. But like I said, there are always some conditions. Okay, now you entered in the crypto market. Now, from that instant of the crypto, like for example, right now it is 1 o'clock going on. Welcome user 214674. Welcome on the live stream. Do not forget to do the deposit. Use that live stream function of the deposit. If you click on that live stream function, when you see there's a comment section, there is a deposit button. If you click, I will pick the lucky 3, lucky 4 people, and I will give them more USDT to trade. Free giveaway from my end if you tap on that deposit option and do that deposit. Okay, let me just, okay, so once you take that, right now it is 1 o'clock. So if you take a trade, if you entered in that market at 1 o'clock, you will be having 1 hour to end that trade. If you don't exit that trade in that 1 hour, the trade will be automatically closed. Okay, so for example, I entered in the trade right now. 1 hour, tick 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 tick, 1 hour countdown will be starting to happen. If I want to exit before 1 hour, that is also fine. That is also fine. It's not like in the 1 hour itself you have to exit. Even if before that 1 hour you want to exit, that is also completely fine. Once you exit, once welcome user 759515 on the live stream of zbit.com. Thank you so much for joining it. Okay, so once you entered in that platform, once you entered in that live trade, it will automatically closed in 1 hour. If you close before that, that is fine, but if you don't, then after 1 hour of completion, that trade will be closed with whatever xyz profit you are in or loss. If there is a profit, like I said, it is completely your profit, completely your profit. And if you face any loss, let's say an example that you face a loss, you don't have to pay a single penny for that loss, because that will be my loss, our company's loss. Okay, like we gave you investment, our investment gone, we are fine with it. We don't require to have that investment from you. Okay, because we gave you that free USDT, we gave you that investment, so we will, even if it gets lost, even if we are losing that investment, that is fine by us, because we are the one who is facing the loss, not you, to be very fair. So whatever profit, now what about the profit? XYZ profit, $5, okay, $10, $15, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, whatever profit you will be getting, that will be completely yours. But understand this one thing, that 20 USDT bonus, if you gain profit of whatever, if you gain profit of $1, 2, 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, that and that only will be visible in your available balance. That rest 20 investment will be gone from the market. It won't be like investment plus my profit both will be added up and it will be showing in your that XYZ available balance. No, that 20 USDT will be gone and just the profit will be visible in your available balance. You get that thing? It's very simple but to understand. It's very simple to get. Okay, just the profit will be visible, not anything. Only and only the profit will be visible, that which you can withdraw, that which you can use, that which you can do anything whatever you feel like. Simple. Okay, now this is the second reward. Simple reward. First was the great reward. You are earning cryptocurrency that to complete for free. Now the second reward in which you gain 20 USDT from us to take a free trade. Welcome user 181189. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for being a part. Do not forget to deposit via live stream option, which you can see just down there. You can see that deposit option over there. Click on that deposit option and have a chance to win a free USDT, free giveaways from my side, and be the most active person on the live stream. Okay, do not forget that option that you have that option over there. Now uh, okay, now what is the third reward? First reward you got, second reward you enjoyed. Now what is the third reward? Third reward you will adopt. Why? Because third reward is actually this. This is the live stream which you get as a third reward, which can help you achieve an excellence in the trading, which can help you achieve the learn trading, which can help you achieve how to do trading, how to get the profit in the market, which coin to trade, which coin not to trade, every of those things which you can take advantage on this one live stream. But again, this live stream is a will game. If you are willing to learn trading, then only you will ask the comment, then only I will tell, then only you will learn. If you don't have will, you won't comment, I won't say, you won't learn. Understood? It's a will game. The live stream is actually a will game. It will show you if you are really want to learn money, if you really want to earn a money, if you really want to learn trading, then and then only you will put those words into the action on ask in the comment section of a lot of those things. And then and only I will give you those information. Then only I will make you understand the market in the most simplest and the best way. And then only you will start earning and start learning the trading. Welcome user 755307. Welcome user 216233. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream. Do not forget to click the deposit option in the bottom. The deposit option is for you to take advantage for grabbing a good opportunity to invest big and take a bigger trade. Okay. Now, user 7 55307, user 126233, and user hi hello user 126233. Hello, welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much. My name is Yash. May I also know your name, sir? Like, where are you from, what are you doing, what kind of trades are you trading, which coins are you trading, have you gained any profit recently or any loss recently? Anything I can help you achieve anything from that. Okay, welcome user 216233 on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. So what's your name? What's your name, user 216233? What's your name? May I know your name? May I know, is it the first day of yours, second day of yours, 1 week of yours, or anything? Like, how are you enjoying Zbit? Are you getting a profit in Zbit? Everything, anything which you want to say, I am here to help. Welcome user 755307 from Nigeria. Welcome to the live stream. My name is Yash. Please do comment on the comment section. Hi, hello, what's your name, everything. And let me just know what kind of coins you trade into so that I can give you the market analysis of those coins which can help you achieve the trade, the profit, and every other things. Since 3 days, we are achieving a good profit, 1500, 500. That's a profit of the 3 days. which I have given to you in the future trade of the BTC. So please help me make sure that what kind of coin you trade into, which are those coins which you trade into. If you are having any losses, also tell me that, because I can give you the best risk management or money recovery technique, a money recovery strategy which will be helpful for you. And don't feel shy. This live stream is not for those people who are shy. Don't be shy. Your face is not visible over here. It's just the words which you will put, and that too, your name is not even there. It's just a username which I can see, which I can read in a number way, like user 1216233. That's all. So you can take advantage of the situations. Now, yesterday, yeah, I forgot to tell you this one thing. Yes, Zbit also has provided you one thing which will make you more better into finding those trendy coins. I get it, like you must have, all those user must have always find that hard. Like, I don't know which are those coins to trade. I don't know which are those coins I should go for. Which are those coins which will be like the most trendy coins, which are those coins which is right now I don't know to invest or something like that. Welcome user again from the Nigeria 755307. Do not feel shy to be saying hi, hello on the live stream. This is just a comment section where you can just come, share your story, share your doubts, share anything regarding a CBD. Even if you don't know how to deposit, you don't know how to do withdrawal, you don't know anything regarding CBD, just come on this platform and have an opportunity to learn a lot of stuffs. Okay, now let's discuss what happened yesterday. Yesterday we took a sell trade in the BTC. BTC sell trade was, and that to future sell trade. Okay, yesterday, this is yesterday's thing I'm telling you. Yesterday we take future BTC sell trade. From where? Yesterday we found out a zone, and that's what I'm telling you to all the beginners as well. There are some things as a beginner you should be know. One, what is happening outside the world, which is basically your news. Okay, very bad handwriting. Okay. One, it's a news. What's happening outside the crypto world? That's your news, which can be a geopolitics, not geo, sorry, global politics, which is like a war escalation situations or any trade imbalance, an economic downfall or a growth of a certain company or a certain country, which can affect the crypto market a lot. Okay. Now, second thing is positive news as well, like basically so many whale in the market has bought a lot of coins which you don't know regarding, and when they buy you can buy as well, because I've told you in the crypto market, if you want to gain a very good amount of profit, you have to be very attentive of where is that money coming from. Whenever there is a very good inflow in the market, inflow means basically investment coming inside the market, money coming inside the market is called as inflow. Okay, now whenever there is a very huge money coming in the market, like investment, a very huge investment plan, very huge million billion dollar which is entering into the market as an investment for whatever coin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Falana, Dimkana, whatever it is, that news also affects the crypto market to boost up the pump or bring the dump as well. Like recently we saw that the dump is this dump. The dump which we are talking about right now is this. It started from this level. We never thought that 100 level will be broke. Okay, from here to here the market went 13.17%. The market was dropped 13.17 drop. 13% the market went drop in how many days? In just 3 days 13% was dropped. Now due to what? Where? Which whale? Which was that whale who did this much drop? It was Michael Seller. Michael Saylor almost sold 33 BTC. 33 BTC was sold from 33,000. I correct myself, not 33, 33,000 almost Bitcoin was sold by Michael Saylor recently in those 3 days. That's why we can see a very huge downfall to downfall to downfall to downfall in the market. And I've shown you this one thing as well. Welcome user 234662. See the value of anything in the world. I'm just not just talking about the Bitcoin. I'm not talking about Ethereum. I'm not talking about the stock. I'm not talking about the gold. I'm not talking about anything. The value of anything in the world depends on the money which is holding that value. For example, it can be money, it can be belief, but something has to hold that value. For example, if I want to put a value on this phone, if I find a lot of buyers, like for example, let's say auction, there are a number of 20, 30, 40 people sitting in front of me and they are giving the announcement like $10, 20, 30, 40. The more they increase their money, the more money is piling up below this mouse, and it is rising from, if I, for example, if I bought at $5 and it is touched by some of this presidential person or any famous actor or something, so the value of this will increase. Okay, now how much the value of people, how much value of this mouse will increase, it depends on the money which is coming and giving support from the bottom, making it rise like this. For example, if I go in an auction, if I say this is touched by some famous actor, now what is going to happen, people will start saying like XYZ, like I want to win at 10. Now $10, I bought it at 5, the auction start by 10, so $10 is sitting right below it, so it is having the value of 10. Some people said 20, money rose, value up. Some people said 50, money up. Some people said 100, money up. Some people said this, money up. Now the more people are putting their money inside, the more value of this mouse is getting increased, but which is bought just in $5. But still, the more people put money inside this, the value of this will increase. Exactly like that, the any value which you see on the Bitcoin, any value you see on any of those currencies is stacked money. It is a stacked money. It is not because it is very useful, very purposeful, it is the next gen, it is the future, it is this, it is that. It's not because of, it is not because of that. Trust me, it's not because of that. It is because the value of any currency, value of Bitcoin at right now point, it is because of the stacked money under that Bitcoin. If the people see, outflow is basically what the stacked money is getting out of that market. Before, the stacked money was what, 126 $126, 126k dollar, to be very frank. 126k dollar was stacked in that. Now outflow happened, money went out, value became less. Money went out, value became less. Money went out, value became less. Now we are at 95k. That means 95k value is stacked under the Bitcoin. If more money goes out, the more value will drop. The more dollar will stack, the more value will go up. Simple as that. We may can also see this. See, now stacked money coming from where? It's coming from those corporate people, it's coming from those big will, it's coming from the big player. Now, till what point they're holding this value? Till that point where they feel that I XYZ gonna have this XYZ profit by the end of the 4 years, by the end of the 10, by the end of the 12, 20, 30, 40, whatever years they want to hold it. It will depend on that. Once they believe that, okay, I am done with it, I got whatever XYZ profit which I wanted, and they are taking out their whatever money, the whole price will drop down, because this price is not because of the value, not because of the usefulness, not because of the futuristic approach of the currency, but it is because of the stacked money inside that crypto market. The more money you stack, the more you invest, the more value goes up. The more you take that stacked money outside the market, the more value drops up. This is not something like like a valuable stuff. Okay, like for example, this is not something, a Mona Lisa painting. That Mona Lisa painting is an emotion. That Mona Lisa painting is an artwork. It has a value separate of the money which is stacked. It holds value in the person's eyes, basically. But Bitcoin's value is not a people's eye, it's not an artwork, it is just a future currency which is holding a value because of the stacked money inside. Got it? We recently saw 13.17% of a drop in that market because of this one reason, because of the stacked money got out from the market. it went out. Like they took their profit and blah, they took their profit and gone out, they took their profit, gone out. Now, till what point can there be one point in our life where we can see the Bitcoin again coming down to 70K, 60K, 40K, or 30, or 10, or completely zero? Yes, there is a option for that as well. Maybe tomorrow you wake up, there won't be Bitcoin anymore. That's it's an option as well. Because in here there is no safe regard for a safe. This is not a safe asset. Okay, to be very frank, to be very fair, this is not a safe asset. This asset is safe till the point that money is stacked, the point where the money, all the money will be taken out from the market. Then Bitcoin is done for. It is done. Even though it holds a very greater value for future, doesn't matter. If money is not there, value is not there. If money is there, value is there. Simple. Welcome user 510522. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Thank you so much for coming down this live stream. Okay, now that's why I tell you this thing. In the crypto, if you want to achieve excellence in the crypto market, the second thing which you need to do is track. BP, W, corporate, SM. Now what is this? Track BP, W, C, and SM. Track big player in the market, track the whales in the market, track the corporate people in the market, and track the SM, which is smart money in the market. Smart money basically is bigger money, a very huge money. This is the thing which we need to track in the market to gain a very good profit in the market, or to be safe from any kind of losses in the market. If if the market has to dump, these are the people who will dump the market. If the market has to pump, these are again those people who will pump the market. The pump and the dump is whole control is for these people. The whole control of the Bitcoin market is in the hand of these people, the big people, the whales, the corporate people, and the smart money people. These four people have the whole control of the Bitcoin. Government doesn't have a control, banking system doesn't have a control. Now I have asked you same questions previously as well. Like if I give you one country, okay, and that country was governed by a government, that country had a financial system working from the bank as well. Okay, now everything is there. Okay, now look, give me one option. Like if I take out the government from that country and I take out the banking system from that currency, from that country, now who will be the ruler of that country? Will it be the most democratic country, like everybody is a king, everybody is this? No, it won't be like that. The money will be the power, the money will be the ruler. The one who has the most will make the decisions, will show the dominance, will make the rules, regulation, blah 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 thing. And that's exactly what is happening in the crypto world. In the crypto world, what we did, we took out the government and we took out the banking system from the currency. That's it. That is basic understanding of a digital currency. Our traditional currency has a two things. It has a government's governance, and it has a banking systems for tracking down, for providing services, from making like basically middle person from which that money is going, from which that money is passing, from everything. Okay, two things. Now what we did is basically we from that currency we took that two things. We took out that we took the banking system being a middle person, and we took out the government control for deciding what will be the future of the currency, what kind of interest rate, interest cut, blah 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 blah. We took out those things. Now the money is free. That's what we think. But money is not free. Money is having a control of who? Money is having control who has the most, basically. And that's what we can see in the market. Who is the rulers of the market? The crypto market is not manipulated. Really, crypto market is manipulated. Crypto market is there, which can be like molded. Basically, it can make you go down, I can make it go up, I can make it go in a sideways, I can do whatever I feel to do because I have that money. If I want to take out the money, for example, I decided to, I want more market to go down tomorrow. If I am that one of, let's say, just I am that big whale in the market. Okay. This is me, one person. Okay. This is just me, one person. And this is the whole market over here. Okay. Now I have the power to make the market go down by 5%, by 10%, by 20%, by 30%, or whatever, depending on what? Depending on my money power. Money power means how much quantity I can sell. If I go, welcome Alone Boy on the live stream of Zibit.com. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for being a part of the live stream. Do not forget to tap on the deposit option of the live stream, because if you use the live stream functions of the comments, the deposit option, and the trade take a trade option, I will be giving you a free giveaways, maybe free USDT, maybe free reward, maybe free offers. Do not forget to tap on that deposit function of the live stream and do the deposit. Okay, cool. And welcome, Alone Boy. Why Alone Boy, by the way? How alone are you that you had to put the username as well as Alone Boy? Why you are this much alone? What happened to you? Who made you alone? Is it a girl? Is it a boy? Is it a family? Is it the currency? What made you so much alone? I am interested in knowing why there is a username of Alone Boy. It's sad, but at the same point, interesting, because I know there is a very good story behind it. And I am interested in that story. I'm not interested in your emotion. I'm just more in the story. That what happened? What happened, Alone Boy? Why you are Alone Boy? Welcome back again, Kiki Sheets. Kiki Sheets on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Now, Alone Boy, what happened? What happened? Really, really. I am interested. I'm intrigued by knowing that username thing. Yesterday, I saw a very good username, Ogendra. Now, today, there is Alone Boy. Why? Why you are alone? This much alone that you have to put a username as an alone. What happened to you? And you left. Alone Boy. Okay, so like I was saying to all people, welcome user 279016. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much for watching this live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Take an advantage of being the most active person on this live stream. Take advantage of being an active person on the comment section, active person in the deposit, active person in the take a trade. We have three options. Can you see? Just beside the comment section, you will see a deposit option, a deposit button. Click on that, do a deposit, and whenever I give you live trades, click on that take a trade and take the trade. Okay, welcome from Nigeria, 279016. Okay, so like I was telling you all people, that if I am a whale in the market, I have, let's say, like a Michael Seller has almost 8 or 6 lakh bitcoins. Okay, he has almost 8 or 6 lakh bitcoins. And now if I decide to go sell 1 lakh bitcoin, the market will dump like crazy. It will be like gone, 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 gone. More than 20% of the whole market can fall. 20%. 20% of the market fall today, it can come down to maybe 80 or maybe 70 the value. Let's ask ChatGPT. Let's ask ChatGPT. Let's ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT can give me an approximate number of where the market can go. See, let's say that I have like BTC. Today market is at 95k level, 95k level, and tomorrow I decide to sell 1 lakh BTC from my holding. What do you think? Hmm. How much value of BTC drop by my 1 lakh? It's just an imaginary thing, okay? Just an imaginary thing. Yeah. Let's see what ChatGPT said. It will be a market nuke. Selling 1 lakh BTC is not a dip. It will be it will be, it won't be even crash. Crash is a small word for if any whales decide to take out the market completely. Okay. Order books will get wiped out clean. Seeding liquidation kick in, leverage long starts dying like flies, exchange widen spread, market maker pulls liquidity, they'll say nope, not feeling that, and so much and so much. Not giving you number you asked for words. So here's the vibe. BTC won't dip, it will teleport downwards. A correction, no, a carter. You won't cause a red candle, you will cause a red carpet. But still, selling 1 lakh at once doesn't move the market, it redefines it. The drop would be massive, violent, historical. But just give me what? Just give me the back. Give me drop. Give me a prox. I want to see an prox value. If I sell 1 lakh BTC at once, I will make the market come to 40K to 50K, 40 to 50K range. Can you see from here, from this part, we can straightly, there is not 40, 40, 40, 40, 40. Yeah. From this part, we can straightly drop the market to this point. What is how much I can make the market lose? 42 approx, that is also an approximate number. 42 approximate, 42% I can make a market down today if I am the whale in the market, which there are already. Okay, so those people over there sitting at the top are the rulers of the Bitcoin market. So tracking them, knowing what they're doing, knowing what is their movement is utmost necessary for us. Don't even think they are like basic. Consider them as the gods of crypto. They decide, they fall. They decide, they can make rise. It is up to them now. The whole crypto market is sitting in their fingertip. Whatever they decide, if they tap 1000000 BTC, done, sell, boom, gone. That much value they are holding. Okay, do not consider it is a very less value. Do not consider that they, why do we have to track big player? Who are the whales? Why there is a corporate people? Why, what is SM, what is smart money and everything? Don't consider like this, because they have that power, and with those people help only we achieve money. Whenever they give dump, I do sell, I achieve money. Yesterday, I got 2% of the market capture because of those people doing the dump, because they did this sell. That's what I did. Those people enter in a very big, huge amount for buying, for investment big. That's my point when I go for a very good of buying. So depends. All the new users, I'm talking to those people who don't understand the Bitcoin market. This is a very good understanding for you. The whole Bitcoin market can be understood by the movement of big players, a movement of whale in the market, a movement of crypto, sorry, corporate people, because now corporate people is also starting to back up. Like basically, for example, see, there is a country, And in that country there are cities, in that city there are towns. Okay. Three, what is happening? What happened? First, country made a crypto reserve that I want to have Bitcoin reserve so that I can back up with the help of like whatever inflation happens, whatever economic drop up happens, whatever happens, I'm still in a higher authority because I am not the part of that normal economic. I am part of something future economic, which is our digital currency, which is more valuable than the USD, US dollar, yen, yuan, ruble, and all those things. It is above that level. So that's basically saving my country. So saving my country from getting inflation. Got it? Now this was country's decision. Now same decision is followed by the city, followed by the town. Example I'm giving. It's not followed by city, it's not followed by the town. But example to that, it is same followed by the corporate people now. The major brands, major companies, major all those things, they all have the reserves. Like this is the company's money pool. Now they decide like this much money they can't just keep in the vault. Obviously they have to keep their money rotating, they have to keep their money into the moving direction, because if they sit in the vault, somebody will come, somebody will take their money, and somebody will throw that money into the police or some traffic or blah blah blah, those kinds of things. Like it will be called as a illegal money. We cannot make that huge money sit under one place. Okay, now that huge money goes where? It goes in some investments, the company's investment, the corporate investment. They invest like, we'll back up our company with this much gold, with this much, with this much, with this much, this much, this much. Okay, now they found a best way to get not even gold, not even the forex, not even any of the currency, not even like any of those what you can say, property, real estate, whatever. Now they have found one way which can actually, like, they have big money. Cryptocurrency require a big investment, it doesn't require a small investment. Small investments, like you are just like putting one single coin in the whole ocean. You cannot find that one single coin in that whole ocean, you cannot. Okay, now that exactly what they were looking for, because they have big money. Now they can put that big money into where? Into the crypto market. And they are doing it to back up their company, they back up their corporate, to be like financially strong compared to the other country, compared to the other corporate people. So that at any point every company has that one fear, that what if we go bankrupt, or what if the whole business stops, or what if this stops. Even if that happens, that's their risk management. That is that thing which is giving them profit as well, at the same point giving them a very big, very strong financial support as well. Got it? Now, so one is the news, which is the war escalation situation. Every beginner should know any of the war escalation situation happens, any economic, big economic decisions like interest rate cut, or the trade has stopped between two countries, or anything like those kind of situation happens. We have to make sure that those news affects the market a lot. Second thing, for every beginner, I'm talking about, every beginner should track big people, big players basically. Second is your whale, third is your corporate, and last is the smart money. Smart money is basically corporate only, but smart money also consists of some industrial people, some other people, not just corporate, but smart money can also come by like influential person like Elon Musk, Trump, and blah 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 blah. So they have big money, they have smart money. Okay, now we have to capture this news. This tracking can be done either by news, either following their movement, financial movement, following their financial movement, or it can be of some website. There are lots and lots, and if you, even if you ask ChatGPT, give me websites to track those big player whales, big player whales, corporate, corporate investor in in crypto market. See, you get all those things, you get all those whale tracking website, Nansen.ai, whale map, Glassnode, Arkham Intelligence, Find Whale, Mega Whale .io, Ledger Scanner Whale Tracker, Mama Calculator Whale Tracker, all those people who are buying in a huge quantity, you can track those people, because if you track those people, you, my friend, really you are in a profitable situation already. You are in a profit. If you track those people, you are in the profit. You are in the profit of, in any case, you are in the profit of your, uh, you will be saved from that liquidity, because you know what's happening, because these are the only people who can give any kind of movement in the market, for either for the pump or either for the dump. If you track those people, you are already saved from any kind of dump or any kind of pump. You are saved. What whenever, like for example, those thing happens, like if you have taken a buy trade and suddenly those kind of people will give you a news that this made a dump. Now this dump will be very huge, because they are the one selling out. They won't take out $100 from the market. They don't need $100. They need million billion dollars from the market, which will be causing a huge downfall. Now this will help you achieving that thing, from being safe from the market's liquidity, because like I said to you, they are the one. Other than this 4 people, nobody, not even a single person, not even single person. I'm considering government as well in this. Not even single person includes government as well. Not even single person can move any market in Bitcoin, in Ethereum, in Solana, in XRP. Not even a single person. Not even a single person can move this market other than these people, other than these 4 people. If you learn to track these people, that's all you will need to achieve the expert level in the Bitcoin crypto, in the crypto market. Let the Bitcoin is a part of a crypto market. If you achieve the tracking of these 4 people, that's enough, because they are the rulers, they are the makers, they are the taker of the crypto market. Get that thing in your head. Really, really, really get that thing in your head. Without them, nobody can do anything. With these people are the one who is controlling the whole Bitcoin market, whole crypto market. Without them, nothing can happen. Without them, market can't move. Without them, market can't have pump. Without them, market cannot have a dump. Because it's just these 4 people's money. This, I'm talking about 4 people as a representative, big players representative. One whale, one, this one. There are so many whales. It's not just one whale in the market. But I'm saying these are the 4 personalities. These are the 4 group which has all the money stacked into the Bitcoin market, which is having this value. This 95K value is hold. If you give a representation, Bitcoin value has been held by these 4 people: BP, Whale, Corporate, SM. These are the 4 people who are putting any value in the BTC, anything. Without, if one people person falls, trust me, 20 to 30% of the market can come down. Any of those one person falls down, one, any of this one person decide that I want to exit the market with XYZ profit, 20 to 30% is the most minimum. I say it can be more as well. The most minimum downfall will be of this much. Get that point? Okay. This is the difference of that stock market, that indices, commodities, and every other different market. The one and only difference between this is that BTC is controlled by 1, 2, 3, four people out there. These four people have extreme control of the whole market. If they decide, they can end the crypto market tomorrow. If they want to decide, they can make the crypto market to 200K level as well. It's up to them. It's up to them. Okay. So as a beginner, what you should do? First thing, news, global politics, war situation, and any news related to those four people. Second, track those four people. And I gave you a simple, you can ask, AI is the most powerful thing at right now point. If you don't take a help of AI, then there's no point of you even being a trader or something. Just take help of any of those. It will give you all those Bitcoin maps, especially useful for tracking Bitcoin whales, map the accumulation, distribution level, cluster, large wallet, smart money, support, resistance zones, give real time and historic whale behavior, everything, everything they will help you with. Okay. These are the website which you can try. You can ask ChatGPT as well. Okay. Right big player, whale, corporate, smart money. Third comes, third comes. Once you track those people, now these people will leave their footprints in the market. Footprint as in that which we can track, which we can make use of. Welcome user 827689. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream. Now, footprints. What do you understand by footprints? Okay. Third thing is the footprint. Now, what do you mean footprint? Footprints are zones in the market. Find out those zones. Find out that supply zone. Find out that demand zone in the market. Find out that liquidity zone in the market. These are the footprints left by these people, because whenever they will do any buy, any sell, whenever they do any buy, any sell, it will be left on that chart somewhere. We have to track those things, which we can help in use of taking our entry points. These footprints will give us what an entry situation, like this is the point where I have to enter in the market. This is my entry point, this is my exit point. It will be given by the footprint by this big player, whales, corporate, smc. These are the things. Okay, now this is footprints, basically zones. Fourth will be market analysis. Last, at least some point of understanding, a basic understanding of the market, something, at least something. You don't have to be like, don't even know what is green, what is red, what is up, what is down, what is side, what is this, what is that. You can't be like that. At least some point of market analysis you have to keep and think like, okay, this may happen, okay, that may happen, this is happening because of this. Those some point of market analysis will give you achieve that excellence in the trade. These are the four beginner thing which every beginner should have. Every of the beginner should be having this. First is a news. We should track all this news. It can be the war situation. It can be the news regarding the whales in the market. It can be some new coins coming on. It can be some influencer talking about influencer, because see, influencer is basically the Elon Musk, the Trump, the big ones. Now I'm not talking about your Insta real influencer or the artist or something like that. A very big person, whenever they say something, it affects the market. Financially influencer, basically. Okay. Second one is tracking the big player, whales, corporate, and SMC. Tracking, we have to, because these are the only four people who has a whole control of the Bitcoin, crypto, every of this market. They are the maker, they are the taker of the crypto market. Okay, track these people is very important. I've shown you that you can track those whales in the market by just ask ChatGPT. It will give you that XYZ name of the website which you can help to track these people. Third is a footprint, because whenever they make any move, they will leave the footprint. Obviously, whenever they do buy, whenever they do extreme selling, they will leave some mark in the market, because at the end this is the only market which they are using. They are not using some different market, they are using the same market which we are using. Okay, so those footprints we have to make use of. Which is footprints, you can see, it's a technical word, you can just call it as a zones. Okay, you can see zones in the market. Okay, you can simply call it zones in the market, that you have to track those zones in the market so that you can find out your entry points, that this is the point to enter, this is the point to go, this is the point to exit, this is my point to take profit and go home. Okay, now fourth is the market analysis. You need to know some basics of the market to understand what's happening in the market. You cannot just rely on this tracking of this big player. Okay, you need to have some small market analysis of what the market structure is. What do you mean by liquidity? What do you mean by supply? What do you mean by, this is the understanding of the market analysis, basically. Got it? Because of this market analysis only you can find out the zones in the market. If you don't have market analysis, you cannot find the zones in the market. These are the four beginner, these are the four things which every beginner should be having. Every means every single of those should be having this four thing inside their head, and doing all those four stuffs to achieve a great trade in the profitable way. Got it? Okay, so this is one of the common question people ask, like, what is a beginner guide? What shall I do as a beginner? This is the four thing you need to do as a beginner to achieve a great profit in the crypto market. Crypto market, I said, it can be anything. There might be good whales of the Dogecoin. There might be good whales in some new coins which is popping up. If they go for big, you go for big. If they go for big down, you go for big down. Basic. Got it? These are the basic beginner guide for all the new users. These are the four things which can help you achieve excellence. Okay. I will be taking, just give me 5 minutes. I will be taking a 5 minute short break. I will be coming back after 5 minutes. Okay. One second, guys. I am back, but my face is not visible over there. It says standby. My voice is there, but my camera is not there. I think people can hear me but cannot see me. Yes. Okay, I'll continue with this because camera, I'm trying to get my camera, but it's not working. I am gone black. Cannot see me. The camera is not putting my face over there. It is not. You cannot see me, but still you can hear me. I will try to figure out what's wrong in this. But till that time, let's continue with this because live stream is on, but my camera is not there. That's the issue. It even says standby something. Should I exit the live stream, come back again? What shall I do? Because this transition is not happening. I am not. Um, video is not being. Video is not there. So you cannot see me, but you can hear my voice. That's better. At least my voice is there, so you can hear me. User 353445. Can you confirm that my audio is there? Not there. Hmm. Okay, let's continue like this. So before going, we discussed regarding the Zbit, the best beginner thing, like what are the best beginner thing in the market, what you need to do as a beginner to know what kind of market you will be trading on. You can do is that track the big players in the market, know about the market analysis, gain their advantage by understanding where their footprint is, and also try to focus on the news as well because more news happens, we get briefly see in the Bitcoin, we all get in the trading, you get news at the same point, and Twitter X is a best platform to gain a very instant news. In every of those X platform you will get a little instant news in the market of what's happening and every of those things. Okay, so make sure that you know those things, and let's continue with the trade then. If like what happened yesterday, let's discuss what happened yesterday before entering into the new market at right now for entering this trade. Okay, so this was that one zone which I discovered that this is that one zone which was making the market fall down a lot. Okay, right. Okay, this was one of that zone. You can call it as a liquidity zone, or you want to call it as a like one of that zone where the market is trying to go a lot of time. We have seen that market is not ready to go below that level, sorry, above that level, and we found this thing Like whenever the market was going near that level, again the market was falling down as well. You can clearly see one time, two time, three time, and now fourth attempt. This was the yesterday's trade. Yesterday market tapped into that zone, and I said first time it did, second time it did, third time it will also fall down to that moment. Now, how much a market can fall, we cannot aim for that. We cannot know till where the market can fall, till where the market can go. It depends on that person itself who has done the investment, who has done that XYZ amount of withdrawal. He is the only person who can know what kind of downfall a market can face, because he knows what amount of size or quantity of Bitcoin he sold. Then yesterday we took this trade from this point. We entered in the market for the downside because I knew this one point that from here, if the market downfalls, it will definitely go below this level, or it can definitely go till at least this level. Okay, now that was a point we almost captured. From this point to this point, 2% of the market was captured yesterday. We got a good amount of profit as well. Now I'm hoping to do the same, because again the same reaction has happened in the market. If we draw a trend line point at this, okay, considering that this is the trend line from where this support is happening, okay, we can just randomly draw a trend line. So we can know like this is a trend line support. The market is taking a lot of time. So even if the market comes down, the next point, we can assume that market can tap into this and fall till here. But tapping into this and falling is not an assurity, because this same liquidity zone is being used one, two, and three times. Fourth time it can, I'm not saying that it won't happen, it can happen. There is always a 50-50 chance of what is going to happen, what is not going to happen. For the time, whenever we come to one zone which is there active for more than 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 times, then it becomes a very trap situation from the market, that any time one trap can come which can make our trade go wrong or against it. For example, what normal or commonly people will do, like, see, one time it came, it dropped, and second time also they will, whenever the market come to that zone, they will go for sell. Third time, whenever market will come, market will go for sell. Now it became a habit. So fourth time as well, whenever the market will come to this point, they will think like, man, a very good short sell trade will be available in the future BTC, which they will aim for, that going for short sell. And once the market goes for short sell, maybe a liquidity trap may happen where a lot of people will go for a short sell over here, and market can reverse it and push the market up. This is a complete possibility of right now situation over here, where the market can, it is a possibility, like when we go for short sell from here, as following the pattern follows at the time whenever market comes to this zone, it is falling. If we do the same thing at the fourth time, that market will come and we will go for the short sell from here. Now till where we can see a till where we can see the market can go to a short sell, there are some points which we can capture. Either it can go till the fair value gaps, or either it can go for the rejection places. Now which are and where are those rejection places? I will make sure to draw it. One second, let me just delete this, delete this, delete this. Now let's draw those rejection places which may a market can come down to and reject themselves. First is basically this one line, because it is a, you cannot consider it as a swing low, but still that is a point from where the rejection happened. So one becomes this. Second rejection line is one fair value gap, which we can see at this moment. If you cannot see it, I will zoom it for all of you people. Now, can you find out that there is a one fair value gap sitting over here? This is that one fair value gap. We can assume that market can come possibly till that point and reject himself a little bit for upside, or it can come directly to the demand zone, which is this, a very small demand zone, because that's the point from where the market started to have a good buying opportunity. This was the last attempt. I have told you this one thing, how to find a demand zone, because this is the last attempt of the market, of the seller, to do and go for the sell. And from there, next candle, next to 1 2 3 candle, the whole three candle became a green, where a good investment came. Okay, where a good investment came. And that's the point from where we are facing this. That's the point where we can draw our a small demand. It's not, I'm not saying that it is a very big demand zone, but yes, a bit of a small demand where we can from where a point from where we can know that the demand is placing over there. Let's not. Ah, what you did? Yes, it's working. Guys, 1 second, just 1 second. I can see half of me. I need other half of me. Mhm. Done, done. I am on air. Yeah, it says on air. I am there. I just want to see myself here. Okay. Yeah, it came. Thank you so much. Okay. So, my video is back. You can see me now. It was not there visible. Now I can see it. Now I can see it. Okay. So, like I said to all people, that there are some rejection places where a normal rejection of the market can happen if the market goes to this level. Okay, now in that rejection, like right now, market zone is this, but even before that, there is one zone from where the market is trying to reject, is this one fair value gap, which you can see the market tapped into that place, and right now it's going for the sell side, which can possibly become like this is that one fair value. Once again, so let me draw that fair value gap for you first so that you can understand. This is that one fair value gap from where the market tapped in. This was the tapping of the market, and this was a fall in the market. Now, from here, market to go up, obviously it will require what? It obviously it will require an investment for the buy side of people to put a buy orders, a good buy orders, which is of good investment, not just 10, 20, 30 USDT, a very good investment of 10,000, 50,000, 60,000, 40,000, 1 lakh or blah, blah kind of dollar. They need to invest then, and then only the market can pump up again. Now, this can fall till where? If I'm saying, if we consider scenario that yes, from the fair value gap itself the market is falling, but we cannot see seller over here till now. Can we confirm that there is a seller? Yes, we can confirm. How we can confirm? If there are big candles, like, see, can you see big candle, big candle, big candle? This big candle, red big candle, means that yes, there are active sellers in the market which can push the market downwards, complete downwards. But we can see the strength is very less strength is there, very less strength. How do we identify less strength? Because of the small bodies of the candle. If the candle is having a very small body like this, that means that the candle, xyz candle, is not having a good sellers in the market, which can again get reverse very soon, very fast. So my suggestion is, let's go for a buy trade at this point, and we will keep a target very small till here. Okay, not a big one, but a very small target which I want to keep as take profit. Basically, just again the zone, again the zone. We will just trade on the zones. We won't trade any other thing. We will just keep on trading on the zones. That this is our zone, which is the most active at right now point. A lot of time a market goes to that 96 level, falls back, goes to 96 level, falls back. That's what it is doing. So we'll try to go again to the same level, like maybe again it will come to the zone of the most common zone, which can be considered as a liquidity zone. Let's consider it as a liquidity zone, because market is coming at that point a lot of time. This is a liquidity zone over here. We went for the buy trade again at the same point, which will push the market up. Okay. Okay. So that's the trade for all of you people. All the people who are watching me from the live, I have given you one trade. Do click on that. Go for BTC future buy trade. BTC future buy trade. Your target can be 96171. Your target can be 96171. And I will tell you this honestly, very honestly, this trade might take some good time to achieve the target because the volume is not there, strength is not there in the market right now. There are not good investors in the market. Basically, the people who does a big investment, they are not in the market at right now moment. That's why we are seeing a very small candles. So it will take a time, but still, let's keep a hope. It might get completed in the next 1 hour or next 2 hour or something. Welcome user 117700186. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Okay, so make sure. Let's have a good amount of profit from here. This is the live trade which I've given you. BTC future buy trade. BTC future long trade is this. Enter at the point and your target will be this. Okay. If I have to put this, I will just simply let me put the long position. I have entered from this point. This is my this is my target. Stop loss, I don't want to keep stop loss, but if you want stop loss, you can keep your stop loss somewhere over here. Okay, because that will be the last place, because this is a small fair value gap. That will be a last place for the market. We are still capturing 1:2 risk reward ratio. Okay, that can be your entry point over here. We are aiming for what? We are just aiming for simple liquidity zone over here. Just simple liquidity zone. You can clearly see the market, the buy orders are increasing, buy orders are increasing, and why it is increasing. See, from that fair value gap, see, fair value gaps are the place where either the limit order will get placed or the sentiment trading will happen. What do you mean by sentiment trading? Sentiment trading is basically, see, it is in my head. Like if I see a very buyer's a whale said that I'm going to go for buy for this is amount, I know he has a big amount, so if I go with him buy, I will have a very good amount. That is what a sentiment trading. I went by his trade. This is basically a sentiment. Now, fair value gaps are those sentiments where we know there can be a limit order placed over there. So, with that, this early sellers try to enter to push the market down. But did the support happen from those limit order? No, it was just a sentiment. That's what created the longer upper and longer lower wick. And from there, the buyers took an opportunity because they knew the sellers are not having any strength. So from there, they are pushing the market up, and that's the place where I have entered in the market. So let's hope that we can get a good amount of, like, if we win, we can get 629 profit. 629 profit we can achieve from this point. So do not waste your time. Do not wait for not taking an entry. Go for future buy trade and enter with a good amount. That's why I said, like, you welcome users 307466. I've given you a buy trade for future. Enter with a good amount. Deposit a very good amount, 20, 30, 40, $50. You can achieve a very good profit from this trade. A very good profit. I'm giving you trade since 3 days. Since 3 days, we are achieving a very good profit. And today as well, the fourth day, I'm giving you profit, and we can earn $629. Like I can earn that, but if you put a big amount like me, you can also win this amount. So please go for a future buy trade over here at the BTC. Okay, at the BTC. We still have how much? how much time? 20 minutes. 20 minutes is still left for this candle to close. Okay, in that 20 minutes, if it finds a better position, like it might come down more, I will tell you that situation and you can enter at that point. But be active on the live stream so that you can take the re-entry in the market and achieve the same amount of profit which I am ready to achieve. Whenever I come on live stream, deposit a good amount to take a trade. If you don't have enough balance to take a trade, click on that live stream deposit option, click on that, deposit a good amount and take the trade. Okay, that's all you have to do. That's all, nothing else. You just have to do the deposit and take the trade, deposit and take the trade, deposit and take the trade. That's all you need to do. Just deposit and take a trade, guys. A BTC trade. BTC future sell trade. I will wait for this 18 minutes. I will wait for this candle to close. After that, once I'm get confirmed, we can also take a trade in Ethereum or Solana because they will probably do the same. But I'm telling you the risk. Risk is over here because of this. This is the risk. Risk is small candles, low investment. This is the only risk we are facing at right now, that it is a small candle and is having a low investment. If a candle is having a small candle, low investment, so the process, the profit taking, the target taking time will be more. If there are a good people with a good investment, the profit will be covered in next 5 to 10 minutes. But if it's less, then it might take 30, 40, or maybe 1 to 2 hours it might take to gain that profit with this retailers only in the market. I usually don't enter the place where the retailers are, but let's take a risk. Sometime you have to take a risk to achieve a great profit. You need to take a risk. See, for those people who haven't entered till now point, market has again came down to a very less point. If you want, you can re-enter. If you haven't entered till now, this can be your entry point, because market has came down to same, like very near to place, very near to that place where I have entered in the market, very near to that place where I have entered in the market. Okay, so I will delete everything and I just want to see in a day time frame how it looks. This is a daytime look. Daytime hasn't given the higher high, lower high till now. Lower high will come maybe here or maybe here. These are the 2 points of the lower high which market can come down to. Okay, market has already made its lower high. Can you see this is the lower low, and from there market can make either lower high over here or lower high over here. These are the 2 points where market can make that lower high. Okay, so we are aiming for that itself. Let's hope that market makes that lower high soon. I want to just see where that lower high can be in that 1 hour chart so that I can be assured. This 1.2 point. Let's go back to again 1 hour candle. Okay. That lower has been achieved a lot of times. The risk is here as well. The risk is here as well. If you can see for a very small part, Market is making what? Market is making lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Next can be somewhere over here, and already this is a point where the market has made a lower high. Entering for buy side over here is very wrong decision, but still, because just because of this one zone which we are looking at, this is that one zone which is there for a longer period of a time. Okay, just because of this one zone we are again going for this direction. User 307466, I have given you trade. Do a good deposit, click on that deposit option, go and do deposit, and then click on the take a trade and take a good trade. This is one of those opportunity where you can earn a good amount of money. Okay, like I said, there are two situations which can happen in the market at right now moment. Let me delete this and this and this. Okay, so what are the stored movements? As recently market was making lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. For a small amount of time, it went in the sideways market and didn't make anything. A very small start of lower, higher high, higher low. Okay, but from there again, market started making lower low, lower high. It can continue. See, it is at the point of what? It is at the point of lower high. From the lower high, obviously, market makes what? Market makes another lower low. So indication, if you look at the market structure, indication is going for what? A sell side, that lower has been made. But we are aiming for what? We are not aiming for the market structure at right now moment. We are aiming for this zone, this liquidity zone, which has been tapped one, two, three times. Three times that zone has been tapped. Fourth time we are aiming for the same exact zone. Okay. Liquidity zone. That's what we're aiming for. We are already at $160 profit. Maybe you can be also at that $1, one $1 profit as well. So do a big amount of deposit and take a big amount of trade. That's all I can say this to you all people. Okay. User 236424. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Enter. I've given you live trade on the live stream. Please enter at that buy future trade. BTC buy trade. BTC future long trade. Long buy, same meaning. Okay. So go for a BTC future long trade. You will earn a good amount of profit. In user 3534445, there was a very small time. Market again came very close to my entry point. That was your signal for re-entering into the market or entering into the market. Okay. But if I miss that option, wait for more time. Maybe it will give again. Maybe it will give in the next candle or next to next candle. But if you have lost that option, that's very bad. Welcome user 164123. I've given you future buy trade. Future, I will write it down over here rather than saying it for long time. This is the point where I've entered in the market, and my target is basically this. My stop loss I'm keeping at the last rejection candle. Last. This is the last rejection candle. You can see risk reward is easily 2 risk reward ratio we can achieve over here. Very easy 2 risk reward ratio. Okay. From this, what did I give you? This is a BTC future. BTC future buy trade. Okay, BTC future buy trade it is. Okay, this is BTC future buy trade. For all those people who are watching, do a good deposit and take the good trade, because I've given you the live trade over here. BTC future. We are already $95 plus. We are aiming for what? We are aiming for 629 USDT. That's our target, and that our target is just the tip of the this zones. Just the tip of the liquidity zone which we are having. 117 profit, a good amount of profit. Is not a small amount of profit. $117 profit, aiming for a 629. Let's go. Maybe in the next hour we can complete this trade, completely complete this trading by the next hour. Sellers try to push the market down. If you can observe, this is that one candle which was a complete downfall and a very small body that said, that gave the buyers an authority that the sellers doesn't have a strength in the market to continue. One twenty, 120 profit already. 74. Let's go. We'll achieve this trade very fast. We'll achieve this trade very fast. Go for BTC future buy trade, guys. BTC future buy trade. $85. See, even the buyers are having less strength, but it is more than the sellers. Okay. $67 will still active. More the market comes down to my entry point, that is your situation where you have to enter in the market again. Okay. Welcome user 964683. I have given you BTC future buy trade. Go for a BTC future buy. Your target can be 96171. That can be your target. Okay. You can achieve a good amount of profit. Click on that take a trade option in the live stream. Click on the take a trade option and you can achieve a good amount of profit. $100 came in. Crypto fund log sharp is a weekly exit since February amid mark registers. Trump drops 500% tariff shockwave. Crypto trembles. Bitcoin breakdown ahead. What? Trump drops 500% tariff shockwave. Crypto trembles. US President Donald Trump on the Friday voiced on support a Senate measure that would let US impose tariff up to 500% on import from nations still buying Russian energy. It would be okay with me, he said. Based on the proposal, same oil, natural gas, 500% on import from the nations still buying Russian energy. The uranium has covered goods, highlights major buyers such as India and China. This move is described as a tool meant to squeeze Russians' export revenue by measure remaining proposed as not law. Tariff 20% energy import reports approves billing allowing 500% tariff on countries trading with Russia. Now, this can make a more downfall in the crypto market. Tylana. Hello, Tylana. Welcome. Tylana, I have given you the trade. Where is that trade? Okay. This is that trade which I have given you. It's a BTC future buy trade. You can go for the BTC future buy trade, Tylana. Welcome, user 936709. Welcome to the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Please, everybody, I have given you hello, how, hi, Talana. I'm good. I'm good. Thank you so much. I've given you the BTC future buy trade because see, this is the same zone the market is trying. This is a liquidity zone of the market. This market will try to go a lot of time, one time, two time, three time. Again, market is traveling down to that point again. I feel so. I made a lot of money just in three trades of one, two, three. So today as well, I'm trying to hope to get money from this moment to this moment. Okay, it's a risky, but at the same point it is like one of those moments which can happen. So right now you can enter at the point where I have entered, because you can see again the market has came back to the same point where I've entered. So please go for the future buy trade. There are a chance of loss, because like I said, there is chance. Why? Because see, recently market made what, a lower low and lower high. Now this is a lower high situation. After lower high, obviously market will fall down to make another lower low. But as we have all observed the pattern, that a pattern follows what pattern, obviously goes to the liquidity zone a lot of time. That's what I'm aiming for, the market to reach to liquidity, and from there we can go for sell. But right now that the market has not reached that point, so till that point we'll go for buy. That's what I am thinking. And market has came back to its my entry point, so you can go for buy at this point. Market came back to this point. Can you see minus 1.2 dollar loss I'm having? So it has came below my entry point. You can enter at that point for the future buy trade. Okay, and please make sure if you are depositing, click on the live stream function, deposit only. I have explained you risk as well, what kind of risk you may face. Okay, so go accordingly, because you may can face this as well, as the market structure is already made a lower high. This is the lower high situation from where the falling is not happening. That's why I'm going for up, because if falling has to happen, then this seller candle will be big red candle, but we cannot see that big red candle of the sellers. That means strength of sellers is not there in the market, which represents that buyers can take over and push the market up to that liquidity zone. That's why enter, will gain profit. Again, see now new candle has started to form. This is a complete new candle. It will go in for 1 hour. We will see what happens to my trade in that 1 hour. If the lower wick forms in this candle, you can enter at more lower and more cheaper price, which can increase more of your profit. Okay. SL, I've kept it over here. This is my max. SL, I'm gonna lose. This is the max. Either I win 600 or either I lose 300. Simple. 1:2 risk reward ratio. Either I lose 300 or either I gain 600. I have put my SL at the that one candle's rejection, because that's from where the more rejection of the candle happened. If I could show you this, see, this is that green candle from where a good rejection happens. So I believing till there the market can have a good buy opportunity because the rejection happened from there. That's where I kept my right now going down minus 64. It's okay. The more market is going down, the more you have a better option to enter at the most cheaper price. My trade, I went for 95541. That's my trade where I took the entry for buy side. You can take it for more cheaper price, which is coming down right now. And let's see. I've given you risk already. Okay, this is not the thing that I never showed you the risk. The risk is that market structure which already made a lower high. The next step of any lower high is to make a lower low, which is to fall down. But as there are no seller active over there, that's why I went for buy situation, which might give me loss, but that's totally fine. $62 minus 71. Maybe we'll see the rejection soon. Minus 66. Welcome user 639647. Welcome on the live stream. See, again the rejection has started to happen. Let's see the rejection will continue or not. See, again, it came in the profit. Like I said to you, all people, that it will come to the profit again. The rejection started to happen. Plus $65 again on the market, right in front of all people. Welcome, user 346034. on the live stream. I've given you BTC future buy trade. It came down, it gave you very good entry point, and again from there it started to have rejection. Can you see it? That point, it's plus 75. ऊपर जाएगा या नहीं? It will go user 346034, it will go ऊपर, ये ऊपर जाएगा, जरूर जाएगा ऊपर। कहां तक जाएगा? ऊपर ही यहां तक जाएगा। ये जो इसका लिक्विडिटी जोन है वहां तक ये डेफिनेटली ऊपर जाएगा ही जाएगा। Plus 38 USDT. $61 USDT plus, aiming for 629. It will definitely go for it. High hopes, high hopes. $91 plus, you can see on the screen over here. $91 is the profit. We are aiming for 629. $91 is already the profit. Let's go. 100. That's good. Let's keep the market going up. Let's keep the market going. Push. Go for the buy future trade. Deposit, take a trade. 131, 126. Let's go. 112, 112. We will not lose the hope. We will make sure the market reaches to 6 629. That's our main aim goal. 629 is our main aim goal. Okay. Welcome user 314268. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. I've given you BTC future trade. Do and go the BTC future trade. And then 12 USDT profit. Aiming for 629. Aiming for 629. 94. 70, it is falling down, but still have hopes. Like I told you already, people, like right now there are no big player in the market, no big money coming into the market. So it might take time to go above. This trade will be very, very, very slow trade for us to do. A very slow trade it will be. 58, again it is falling down. I don't want to close this trade any amount less. I want the complete 629 USD. Have patience. Things will work out. 59, almost 60, but still it will go up. 41. That is having patience is the key for a good trade. 51, 51, 51, 51. 65. There are not even buyers, are not even seller a lot there in the market. Like less sellers, less buyer. But compared to sellers, there are little more buyer. That's all, but still less. Still less. 67, a very slow trade it is going on, but it's totally fine. Even if it's a slow trade, that is fine. At least we can see still the market is in a profit. Then we can see the market is trying to push its best to go in an upward direction. 71. 56 USD till now. Very slow trade, very slow trade. BTC, Solana, Ethereum for why crypto crisis depending. That news I wanted to read completely about the Trump thing because he's increasing 500 tariff. This tariff will make the Bitcoin market more down to down. There is high possibility that Bitcoin can fall up to 74K level for very sure. One. 112. Again, it is coming back. Again, it's coming back. It's still above my, it is still above the entry point of mine. I'm still in the green. And that's what I need. That it still needs to be in the green side. That's 200, $200, $200. Let's go. Very close to achieve. My trade can't go wrong. Proof is right in front of your screen. My trade cannot go wrong. $225. 180. Again the drop. See, this game will carry up. This market pushing up, market coming down, market pushing up, market going down. This game will carry on. 175. Hundred and 71. And then 55, still dropping in, going about, dropping in, going more. We will achieve this target. We don't have to worry. 98. Again, it came back to 77. It came, went to till 200, and again it's dropping. You can clearly see that in that one candle, the buyers, the seller, the buyers and the sellers, they are trying to fight the whole market. 9. It came back, it came, whatever went, again full came down. Complete came down. Welcome King Sonic on the live stream of Zibit.com. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. I've given you the BTC future buy trade, which went till $200 again. Then it came down full rejection from the top. But the same thing is happening. Rejection is getting from the bottom, rejection is getting from the top. Both side rejection we are facing. $12. We went till 200. 200 we went till. From there it came down straight to the entry, almost to the entry point of giving me just 23 USDT. We went to 222. Now it is just 23 USDT. 2011. 21. This is a long game. This is a long game. In the starting, when I put the trade, I told you this one thing, that this will be a very long game, that we will have to wait for a long time for this trade to happen. Okay. Like it will take a long, long, long time for it to become and come to my target. Because see, this happens when there are no big people in the market, when there are no investors in the market. This is exactly what happens when there is no investor inside the market. If investors are there, good investors, not like us, we are the retailers, we don't have that much money to invest in the market. If we don't, then this will happen. This is what is going to, sorry, this is what is going to happen. If we don't have the investors in the market, this is what a retail investor market looks like. Just a sideways market. It will go a little up, come little down, go a little up, come little down, not giving profit, not giving loss, nothing, just being at one point. Right, started giving, falling down. Welcome user 762289 on the live stream. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for being a part. I have given you BTC future trade. It went till here, gave me $200, and now again the rejection started to happen. But I know it will touch this zone for very sure. For very sure, it will touch this zone. Minus 89, and now with a very good strength, sellers are trying to drop in. Welcome user 628226. Welcome user 137381. I still won't lose my hope. Still, there is 13 minutes left for my market to close. See, even if I face low, that's fine. That's fine. One of those trade can go wrong, but it gave me $200 profit, and from there it became bad. Now there are good sellers in the market. They're trying to reject the market in a very good zone. That's nice. 216 minus the most loss I will handle is that 300. Okay, 300 or it is 600. That's the truth scenario. Either it is a 300 loss or either it's a 600 profit. That's all. This is one of those days in the market. One of those days. Never trust retailers. But still, we still have hopes. My SL has not hit yet. My SL has not hit yet. I still have hope. Minus 2019, 2019. Go people. Last 5 minutes still left. Last 5 minutes of the candle. Last 5 minutes of the candle. Rejection started to happen. Like I said, rejection will happen. Rejection started to happen. Now it is going up again, up again, up again. Rejection from the bottom started to happen. 61. See, the rejection started to happen. That's why we don't have to worry. We don't have to panic. Even if the market is falling down, we don't have to panic because see, again the rejection has happened. 138. Good rejection. 91. Good rejection. We'll keep this trade active. It is time for me to go, but I will keep this trade active. We also keep this trade active and watch it. It will definitely go and reach to this point. Okay. I'll see you guys tomorrow, same timing, 12 to 4. And I will be back again by the same timing, 12 to 4 tomorrow. It's a Dubai timing. You can pick, you can see what is the Dubai timing of 12 to 4 in your country of Indonesia, like Algeria, or Nigeria, or India. You can pick your own country and you can see what is the Dubai timing of 12 to 4 in your country. And you can come to this live stream. But such kind of moment will happen in the market, which you can see as well. The market came down to very close to my sell, but did it hit my sell? No. Should I panic? No. Again, the rejection happened, which gave me more confidence that I can still be active on this trade, which I will, and I will show you tomorrow if I have earned that 629 profit or not. Okay. So till that point, thank you so much for everybody for coming this live stream. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.